Imagine a spacecraft so advanced that it can serve as a mobile base for launching smaller satellites and space vehicles. This isn't science fiction. It's the latest project from the US Space Force, and it's called the Orbital Aircraft Carrier. But here's where it gets controversial. While some see it as a necessary step to maintain space superiority, others worry about the militarization of space. Let's dive into what we know about this ambitious project. Space Force and Gravitics team up. The U.S. Space Force, established by President Donald Trump in 2019, has teamed up with a space engineering company named Gravitics to develop an orbital carrier. This innovative platform is designed to deploy smaller, spacefaring vessels, providing what the Space Force calls unprecedented flexibility and speed for in-space operations. The project is being funded through the SpaceWorks' StratFi, Strategic Funding Increase Program, which combines government, small business innovation research (SBIR), and private sector funds to drive technological advancements for the Space Force. In March 2025, Gravitics announced it had secured up to $60 million in funding from this program, marking a significant step toward the realization of the orbital carrier. Why this matters: the U.S. is not alone in its pursuit of space dominance. Countries like China and Russia are also ramping up their space activities, making it crucial for the U.S. to stay ahead. The orbital carrier is seen as a key component in this strategic race, designed to enhance the nation's space defense capabilities. According to a statement from Gravitics, the orbital carrier will pre-position multiple maneuverable space vehicles that can deliver a rapid response to address threats on orbit. This means the carrier will act as a floating base in space, ready to deploy smaller crafts whenever and wherever they are needed. What people are saying. A spokesperson for the U.S. Space Force emphasized the importance of the project. Every day, U.S. Space Force guardians work to secure our nation's interests in, from, and to space, ensuring we maintain control of the domain that is critical to the success of the entire joint force. To retain our leadership in space, we are accelerating our transformation as a war-fighting service focused on increasing combat readiness, developing our guardians, and strengthening partnerships with joint, international, and commercial partners. Colin Doan, CEO of Gravitics, added, "The orbital carrier is a game-changer, acting as a pre-positioned launch pad in space. It bypasses traditional launch constraints, enabling space vehicle operators to rapidly select a deployment orbit on demand." What happens next? While the exact timeline and cost of the project have not been finalized, the initial funding and design phases are underway. The next steps will involve further testing and development to ensure the orbital carrier meets the rigorous standards required for space operations. Is this article trustworthy? Newsweek is committed to delivering journalism that is factual and fair. We value your input and encourage you to rate this article. Your feedback helps us improve and ensures the quality of our reporting. About the writer. Theo Berman is a Newsweek Live news reporter based in London, UK. He specializes in U.S. politics and international news, with a particular focus on infrastructure and technology. Theo has covered a wide range of topics, including the rise of tech figures like Elon Musk within the conservative movement, and the development of major international construction projects. He joined Newsweek in 2024 and has previously written for Dexerto, Pink News, and News UK. Theo is a graduate of Durham University and News Associates. You can reach him at t.berman@newsweek.com. Languages: English. Slide circle to vote. Reader average: no, moderately, yes, vote.